Okay, y'all, so today we're making grilled cheese. So what I'm gonna start off with is just putting in some butter into the pan. We're gonna let that melt, and then we're gonna use that to toast our bread. Okay, so now at this point, our butter is nice and melted, so we can just go ahead and start toasting our bread. So I have 2 pieces of regular white bread, free of choice, and I'm just making sure that I'm getting one side of it coated in the butter. So I have my heat on like medium, and then here I just have a regular piece of cheese. And so that it should take about 4 to 5 minutes for each side to toast. So now I'm just gonna put the other piece of bread on top of the cheese, and it's okay if that piece isn't fully toasted because we're gonna flip it over and let it finish toasting. And so you just want to kind of eyeball it, make sure it doesn't burn, and you can press it down with the spatula if you'd like, if you like that look with your grilled cheese. So yeah. And so at this point, our other side is toasted, and then you're gonna let the other side just finish toasting, and then it's done. And so now I'm just gonna plate my grilled cheese. I'm gonna cut it in half, and then it's done. So yeah, I hope you guys give this a shot. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe for more.